been some big bears around here too. We weighed one yesterday, 615, 618 pounds. Unbelievable. That's a big old black bear right there. The biggest one that my mentor Lynn Rogers has weighed out here, 876 pounds. That's a gargantuan black bear. Go around this way here. Alright. This is the pond where they love swimming, cooling off. There's like a little track down there. A couple of washed out tracks up there on the muddy bank. You know, it rained last night, big storm came through, so it probably washed some of them out. But check this out. This marking tree here. Some great claw marks in there. That's cool.